Welcome. I have this indicator that I want to share with you. I tried taking some trades in the previous week with it. As you can see, it's not 100%, but I have most trades in profit, which is what we want. As you can see, in overall, I'm in profit. So I'm going to give you the settings and tell you how to trade it. Let me start by showing you how to trade it. So if you look at, let's maybe use the example of this pair. What is it? GBP JPY. You turn your phone like this. Maybe I can start telling you the platform. It's MT5. The zoom level is the first step. So you zoom out and then you go to step number 1, even though you can also use step number 2. Okay, step 1, step 2, it's okay. So I'll go to step 1, and the time frame is the hourly where I was taking the trades, but you can use anything from the smaller time frames. Doesn't matter that much. I didn't see any major differences, so you can use maybe any time frame. It's like the pairs, you can trade any pair with this strategy. All right, so what you do here, I can say that this is sort of an uptrend, a small uptrend, and this is sort of a downtrend, just a small downtrend. Now, on an uptrend, you are going to be looking for buys, and on a downtrend, you're going to be looking for sells. Now, how do you take the trade? Let's start with the uptrend, where you are going to be looking for buys. Now, after identifying the trend, now you know you're going to be looking for buys. The first thing that you look for is for this white moving average, the white moving average on the main chart, to come below. You can see that you have two green moving averages. You wait for the white moving average to come and touch the below moving average, or to come below the moving average that is on the bottom. And once that white moving average has touched that moving average, you also wait for this graph on the MACD to come below the zero level. It's just like here, price was on the above side, on the upper side of the zero level, and then it came below, right here, it came below the zero level, and then it went up again. So you wait for price to come below the zero level, and then you wait for it to cross again to come on the upper side of the zero level. Once price is crossing over to the upper side of the zero level, you also wait for this white line to come above the green moving average that is on the top. You wait for price to come on the upper side of the moving averages, or of all the moving averages. And once the white moving average is on the upper side of the green moving averages, you take a buy. Now for the sell entry, the first thing you have to identify that price is somewhat on a downtrend. And once you have noted that price is on a downtrend, you wait for this white moving average to come above all the green moving averages. And then once price is above the moving averages, you also wait for the graph on the MACD to come on the upper side of the zero level line. Once it is on the upper side of the zero level line, you wait for it to cross back to the lower side. Once it is crossing over to the lower side, and you are seeing maybe 2 or 3 bars, or let's say 2, 3 or 4 bars coming on the lower side, or on the lower side of the MACD, you also wait for the white line to come below the two moving averages. and once the white line is below the 2 moving averages, you take a sell. You take your sell. So you would take a sell right somewhere right here. Now for the strategy settings or indicator settings, it's very easy. You only have 3 moving averages on the main chart and the MACD. Let me just do this so that we add the MACD manually. What you are going to do, we are going to add this first moving average, the 90 moving average. It's period 90 method way, linear weight, apply to close, the style 3 pixel, and then you can put a color of your choice that's going to be visible on the chart. You click done. You come to the second moving averages, which is the 80 moving average method. Linear weight, apply to low, the style, you can put style of your choice and color of your choice that's going to be visible on the main chart. And then you add the last moving average, which is the 5 period moving average method. Is linear weight, apply to low, the style. This is where I have the white moving average. If your background is white, please put a darker color. You can put black, navy blue, anything that's going to be visible, and then you click done. Now we are going to add the MACD. I have noticed that in my channel, the videos with the most views, with thousands of views, are the videos where I share mobile indicators. Now I can recommend these 2 videos. I'll put their links in this video's description. They are also good strategies that I have tried and tested. They work perfectly fine. Please check out those videos. They can also help you. Now let's continue and add the MACD. For the MACD, you come to this F function. You come here and then you look for MACD, which is right here. Click MACD, and then for the fast moving average, put 15. For the slow, put 26. For the simple moving average, put 1. Apply to close, and then you put these settings on the style, colors of your choice that are going to be visible on your screen, and then that's it. You click done. There you have your indicator, and then you start trying it out on the demo.